Well, hey guys, what's up? It's been a long time since I made a video, so here's a new one. So, there's been anti China sentiments rising in India, and with this comes boycotting China and its products. But can we actually boycott them? Well, a short answer would be it's complicated. And for why, keep watching the video. So, hey guys, this is Yashas, and today we're going to talk about is it really possible to boycott China and its products? Well, what I want to talk about here first is a study which was done in 2014 by an economist Kilian Hellman, which was based on the analysis of boycott of Danish goods by Muslim countries. The study suggested that even though an individual firm of the boycotted country might be hit hard, the overall effect on the export sector is negligible, which would render all of our efforts useless. So what that means, if we boycott Xiaomi today or Vivo today or Oppo today or any Chinese smartphone brand or any other Chinese brand for in total, the overall effect on the company might be really big. It might even close down, but the overall effect on China might be negligible, so all of our efforts would be useless. The second thing is about the timing, which is also really questionable right now. China is the first off the mark in restarting industrial operations after its COVID-19 lockdown. It was the first to be hit by the outbreak and thus also the first to recover. It will be looking for raw materials for its recovery, which gives Indian suppliers a business opportunity with them. That means we cannot boycott China in total, but maybe boycotting Chinese products would help. But that too is really difficult for most of the situations. Well, let me explain. We are so dependent on Chinese products that a complete boycott of them is not a feasible option. Neither it is a good option to throw whatever made in China products you have in your house just to show your so-called patriotism. Instead, a well-structured boycott would create a much larger impact rather than just not buying things made in China. For example, Xiaomi is a Chinese company, but it does make products in India, which means it does provide employment to people living in India. So you cannot boycott Xiaomi because that would harm the people who are working in the factories in Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh which are owned by Xiaomi, because if Xiaomi closes down, the employment of those people also goes down. So what we can do is reduce our dependence on these Chinese products and go for better alternatives if available, and also don't use Chinese services, especially UC browser. And if you're still using UC browser in 2020, dude, were you living in an underground bunker for all this time? Second, the Chinese products are cheap. China focuses on mass production of products in their factories, which lowers their aggregate costs significantly. They also have highly skilled labor force with tons of automation in factories with the help of robots, which makes production faster and efficient. India too has skilled labor, but the automation is highly missing in majority of production houses. Also, the raw material availability affects the price too. So when you get a Xiaomi or Vivo phone in under 20,000 rupees or 25,000 rupees with flagship specifications, why would you even go with a 40,000 Samsung device? Indian brands, on the other hand, specifically smartphone brands, have literally no competition in comparison to these Chinese brands or any other brand in total. So boycotting Chinese brands wouldn't be a good option. And also, as I told before, they do provide employment in India. The best thing would be to make some effort and find some available alternatives. And if there are none, there will be. Like, instead of buying caps and t-shirts that says boycott Chinese but are actually made in China, it's better to not buy them. So boycotting Chinese product won't help much, but it will to some extent decrease our dependence on these products. Well, that's it for this video, and if you did like it, do give the video a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. If you have some other opinion, comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.